Have you ever found yourself in a dinner rut, unsure how to spice up your meals? Here's an idea that can amp up your dinner game. Chicken and apples are an incredible flavor combo of sweet and savory. Don't split just yet. Come learn the magic behind it. And the scavenger hunt for ingredients, everything you need is in the description, as well as a link to get them delivered straight to your door. Time to get your fruit ninja on by slicing up your apples and onions. In a separate pot, you're going to boil your water so you can cook your pasta. Now it's time to bring home the bacon, or rather chicken. Add a splash of olive oil, put the chicken in the pan, and season them up. Now make sure you let them sit and cook for long enough to get brown on the outside. Let's kick this up a notch, throw in some butter, and start sauteing those onions and apples. Now it's time to get saucy by adding in some chicken stock. Once you've let it reduce, you're going to throw in your chicken. And you can throw in some pasta water to help it thicken. Next goes in your cooked pasta. Now all that's left to do is season it up, and I'm using garlic salt, seasoning salt, and smoked paprika. Now it is your turn. Make this at home and let me know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a recipe. Now if you like this recipe, you're going to love the next one. Watch this next video for another awesome flavor combo.